Yes, please.
My lord, explanation one item, my lord, for listing of the matter, my lord, for admission.
What? When did you file?
Long back, my lord, it is 2018 matter.
Huh? Admission. So we'll come up. We'll come up next week. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Obliged.
Daily list for motion. Item number 1.
Records is here.
Right.
We'll list for hearing.
My
Since the records have been received, the matter will be listed for hearing.
apply.
Item number 2.
Same. The records are here.
In this area, the petition is expired.
It is expired. So what do you want to do?
And your lordship will have passed similar order in some other cases.
Where is that order?
Here, in my. It's not this one. Only last paragraph, in view of the matter, we are of the opinion that since the proceeding has expired during pendency of the present case, law will take its own course. That is the law. That is the.
It's up to you. If either you challenge because the legal years is up to you.
Yes, my lord.
We can close it, but then the legal years will not get any benefit. Okay. Likho Khan, Mr.
Sure.
Counsel for the petitioner also. Sabka naam likho. Huh? In this petition, the petitioner has challenged the order dated, opinion dated 28/3,
Yes, my lord.
23/29, 5 will learn, huh? Page 25. By which the petitioner, Prosidi MD Kuddus Ali was declared to be a foreigner of post 25 March 1971. When the matter was taken up today, it has been submitted by Lana Council for the petitioner that the petitioner has expired during the pendency petition. So here also you could try to contact, they are not available. What? Your legal years, do you contact them or no?
Yes, I have.
Contacted them?
Contacted.
Okay. Full stop. Since it has been submitted by Lana Council for the petitioner that the legal years who are now aware of this proceeding will take necessary will file necessary application before the competent forum for challenging the said impugn or judgment order dated, impugn opinion dated so and so. Under the circumstances, we have the view that since the proceeding has expired in the law will take its own course. However, it is also made clear that if the authorities wish to take any action against the legality of the deceased proceeding petitioner, the same shall be done by holding proper inquiry as per law. With the above observations, the petition stands disposed of. May the LCR be remitted to the concerned tribunal. Yes, next.
Item number 3.
Inna Sali, yes, Inna Sali. Yes.
Yes, may fix for hearing.
Okay. Since the records have been received, then we will list of hearing. Yes.
Item number 4.
Tozimuddin also same. Since the records have been received, the matter will list of the hearing. Yes.
Item number 5.
Wahida Begum.
My lord,
Yes. Yes.
the grandfather name in 1966, father 1975, he was a railway employee, my lord, and he deposed before the learned tribunal.
Okay, we'll examine. Huh?
Yes, Lord.
Okay, notice record interim. Yes, next.
Yes,
Item number 6.
Kavita next. Yes.
The lordship by opinion that 19/5/22 lordship, the petitioner was declared a foreigner who entered India after 25/3/1971. Lordship may kindly see lordship. Annexer and page 41.
Page 41. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Lordship.
So you want to say that you have inherited your inheritance is there, patta is there. So we'll examine then. Okay.
Lordship.
Notice record interim.
Item number 7.
Yes. Anybody get? Behirul Ali?
Here, expert opinion, my lord.
Why it was ex parte?
For 2 years, my lord, due to COVID period, he's a handcart puller, my lord. Doesn't know anything. Even his signature is thumb impression, Angmota thumb. And he did appear, and ultimately, my lord, the crucial document of voter list of 1/1/1970 was not considered, though it was filed and exhibited as Exhibit 4. So, my lord, ultimately, it has to be remanded, but now your lordship may call for the records and the notice. Otherwise,
Lordship, the references of 2011 until date, they are have not participated properly with.
this what to 2020 and 21, he didn't participate. He has explained everything in the petition, my lord.
Where is the evidence that where is that 71 voter list,
My lord, page 14,
page 14?
70 voter list, 1970. His
Whose,
father's name is there.
whose father, your father name is what?
Khatiullah.
Khatiullah Sheikh,
Yes,
Amruddin.
yes. He was not born then. He was born in sometimes 1976. 77.
And your name is now recorded.
Jairul.
Where is it, your name, Jairul?
Here it doesn't appear because you was not born in 1970.
Where is it?
His mother's name is there, my Ale Khatun. Wife of
Jairul, but then Jairul father name is what?
Khatiullah.
Where is it?
In page 14.
No, Khatiullah is your father.
Yes,
Why your name is recorded anywhere in the document?
yes. Now, my lord, you will also kindly come to his, my lord, voter identity card. Page 22. And also to voter list of
But
1970.
Jairul Ali Khatiullah Sheikh.
Yes.
Oh, page 18 also.
Lordship will look into the final order, Lordship. The
Page.
conduct, page 48, Lordship, the conduct of the proceeding. Lordship, the notice was sent in 2011 and put up on 15, and it returned unreserved. And then again, the case was put up again on 2020. He obtained bail, and after that, he never appeared before the tribunal.
Neither he nor his lawyer appeared. There is
So
the
the lawyer is different, Lordship. He has not
not
stated
different.
that.
Because the lawyers are
A record discloses that after receiving notice, the proceeding appeared in the tribunal on 2020 along with his concerning advocate, filed a bail petition, and the proceeding was released on bail. On 2/3/2020, proceeding
But
appeared.
then also learned have taken step for non-prisoner court for the spread of coronavirus also.
Yes, Lordship. that
Tribunal
is-
also has mentioned
But
about this
after-
coronavirus.
After his bail, he never appeared. He never took steps to file his WS, Lordship. A chance may be given, but a cost may be imposed so that he completes the proceeding, Lordship.
cost. He can hardly pay. My handcart puller hardly on
He can
100.
engage my
Fifty-
senior friend, Lordship. He can definitely pay the
No,
cost.
can you, may I submit what I am doing? I have taken only 11 rupees here. Do you know? Not only in cases who charge fees. Only 11 rupees as a token fees I have taken from this man. I don't say lie.
Anyway, nobody has said that you are lying.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll remand it then. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Han, Mr. Lanet, Senior Counsel for SSL Bank.
Taken observation that he should
Yes,
proceed,
yes.
cooperate and complete the proceeding,
Yes.
Lordship.
SSL by means
Ankita Deka.
are also the present petition has been filed challenging the ex parte order dated 28/4/2022 passed by the Lana FT, page 48, by which the petition was declared to foreigner because of his failure to appear for a tribunal to file the necessary written statement and use evidence. It has been submitted to Lana Senior Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner otherwise has sufficient documents to prove that he is an Indian, not a foreigner. In this regard, he has also drawn attention of this court to the voter list of 1970, where the name of one Khatiullah Sheikh is found. And son of
His mother also.
Khatiullah Sheikh, son of Amruddin, and one Ale Khatun. Khatiullah, wherefore who the petitioner claims to be his parents in the voter list of 1970 in village Bogidara.
Yes.
Bogidara. You are still in the same village or you have
Yes, yes,
shifted?
he's there.
You are still in the
No,
same
my
village?
They were in my lord,
Bogidara.
Kolkata, shifted to Lakhimpur, now in Lakhimpur town.
Where is Bogidara? In
Originally.
respect of 47 numbers for Bhog, Legislative Assembly.
From there, they shifted to Lakhimpur.
According to having submitted that, this is a very crucial document on which the petitioner can claim that he is Indian or a foreigner born to residents of this state, states who were already in the state before 1970. It has been submitted, however, because of his failure to appear for tribunal, for his failure to appear for tribunal as well as the council because of COVID, the petitioner could not appear. We have gone through the opinion. The opinion also mentions that the counsel for the petitioner, though on 23/2020, the proceeding appeared along with the counsel and filed written statement. Thereafter, the learned counsel could not take any steps for due to spread of coronavirus COVID-19.
My lord, WS also was filed.
Under the circumstances, we have the view that the petitioner may be given another opportunity to appear for the tribunal to prove his case that he is Indian or a foreigner. Ms. Verma, however, submits that the petitioner has been negligent in a measure even after the coronavirus was even after the lockdown imposed by corona was lifted, the petitioner did not bother to appear for a tribunal. We are also the view that the petitioner should be more careful in as much as if the petitioner does not appear before the tribunal to pursue his case, he can only blame himself. And the circumstance however, in view of the fact that there are certain documents to show that there are certain documents on which is on this basis the petitioner can legitimately make a claim that he is an Indian or a foreigner. We allow this petition by setting aside impugn order dated, impugn ex parte order 28/4/2022, passed by the so-and-so page 14. The petitioner will accordingly appear for the foreigners tribunal on or before. Give a date.
My lord, today is 21st.
Huh?
21st of January.
21st of January, and thereafter the petitioner may be allowed to. The tribunal will proceed with the reference in accordance with law. We also make it clear that if the petitioner fails to appear for the tribunal on the aforesaid date, the order passed by this court will stand recalled without any further reference of this court, without any further order of this court, and our ex parte order date 28/4/2020 will stand revived, and law will take its own course. Full stop. However, we also make it clear that till during the pendency of this during the substance of the proceeding before he may be allowed to remain on bail is granted by the tribunal earlier. With the above observation, the consent is disposed of.
Item number 8.
Jahar Ali. Yes.
Here in this case, my lord, the voter list of 66 of parents, 70, my lord, who have produced, my lord, evidence of
Lordship
key
will call
persons
for
were
the record
submitted.
because in 2016, till date, it hasn't moved, Lordship. They have taken time from then to file evidence and haven't filed. So
My lord-
records may be called for, Lordship.
Notice
My-
record.
my lord,
Yes, next.
Item number 9.
Nilima Dev. Nilima Dev, yes.
Lordship contested order, petitioner has exhibited, my lord, 1951 NRC,
Lordship will examine the
Legacy
Okay,
data.
notice record interim. Yes, next.
Item number 10.
Yes,
My lord, ex parte order, lordship will find ex parte order, please.
but why ex parte? Why ex parte?
My lord, petitioner was original resident of South Salmara, my lord. At the relevant point of time, he went to the Durhat, my lord, for work under a contractor, my lord, as a labor, my lord. And that time, my lord, from there, my lord, a notice was issued, but the petitioner has no knowledge about that notice, my lord. And from the impugn order itself, my lord, it was stated that he was not found in that place. But when the petitioner received a notice from my lord, there in a criminal case to his original address, my lord, in the native village, my lord. Then he came to know in the year 2021, my lord. I have annexed that notice also.
No, he cannot say that he had no knowledge about this
Okay,
because,
we'll issue notice.
yes, lordship.
Issue notice.
My lord, meantime, my lord,
In the meantime, the petitioner may not be subjected to any coercive action in view of, in terms of the impugn order dated.
impugn order dated, my lord, 8/6/2020.
13/7, 2018.
18,
Uh,
2018.
However, he will appear before the SP border.
Yes.
SP border,
My lord, Jorhat.
Jorhat, and produce security bond. 5,000 on a bond of furnish a bond of 5,000 with suitable funds with mobile number.
Yes, sir. My lord, impugn order is 30/10/2020.
Yes, next.
Item number 11.
Contested case, lordship.
Yes,
Contested matter, lordship. Notice matter.
notice record in time, yes.
Item number 12.
Lordship, this is contested case and the contested case, lordship, and
Okay,
He
notice
has-
record in time, yes.
Item 13.
Yes,
May I please, your lordship. My lord, in this case, my lord, the entire legacy is actually established, but my lord, the certified copy of voter list is discarded due to having no, my lord, reflecting.
notice record in time, yes, next.
Item number 14.
Hikmat Ali,
My lord, this is the contested case. Father's name recorded in 1951 NRC 6670. To establish linkage, I submitted 1985, 89, 97, and Jamabandi copy.
Examine lordship.
Brother also appeared.
notice record in time,
Yes.
yes.
Blessed.
Item number 15.
None appears this next week.
Item number 16.
Ravidas.
Lordship, our presence will
Contested case,
be
lordship.
noted
Sorry?
in the previous.
It's a
matter.
contested
Oh,
case.
though none appears, however, so appears, list according next week, yes.
Actually, this is a contested case. The proceeding has exhibited 1964's document of entry of his father, your lordship.
Okay,
That was disbelieved.
notice record in time, yes, next.
Item number 17.
May I please, your lordship, contesting 10, yes, lordship. Petitioner exhibited 12 documents, lordship. Her father name was appeared in the voter list of 66, NRC 1951, 1970 voter list, and her mother name also recorded
Yes.
in the
Notice record in time,
lordship. Obliged.
Item number 18.
It's also contested case, your lordship. We have exhibited father's documents of 1966 and also.
yes.
Notice.
Notice record in time, yes.
Item number 19.
lordship, this is a case, the tribunal declared this petitioners foreigner, lordship, without there being any inquiry and reference in respect of them.
Okay, we'll call for the record,
Yes.
notice record in time, yes.
Lordship, obliged.
Item number 20.
Yes, Inus Ali.
My lord, here, my lord, parents voter list 55 was produced and as many as 3 witnesses were examined. My lord, petitioner's
Lordship,
name also
examine the
appeared in the Jaunti copy.
Notice record in time.
Item number 21.
My lord, this is an expert case. Initially, no notice was issued in 2012 in the district of Golaghat, but because of the change in the jurisdiction, the case was transferred to Jorhat, when the notice was issued in 2018 Milan. Within a period of 13 days, the petitioner was taking time to submit document. So within a period of 13 days, she was declared, there were 4 dates given, and she was declared a foreigner. Lord, now she has taken out all the certified copies of the document, my lord. I may be given an opportunity, my lord.
Miss Zahra Khatun, you
My
are
lord.
married now, by this time you must have married now, no.
Yes, she's the married.
But you said miss.
No, Mrs.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where is the impugned order?
It's page number 23, my lord.
And Mr.
She did appear, but she took some time, so last chance may be given. Lord.
Okay.
My lord, my lord.
And Mr.
A.W. Aman.
Also, considering the nature of the case, we have the view that preemption can be dissolved without issuing formal notice to respondents and calling for records. We have been submitted that though the petitioner had appeared before the tribunal, she could not, but she sought for some time to collect the relevant documents. However, the tribunal proceeded against her ex parte on the ground that the petitioner failed to file a written statement within the time granted by the tribunal. It has been submitted that initially the petitioner received a notice from the foreigners tribunal, Golaghat.
Golaghat, my lord.
Golaghat. However, and accordingly, she appeared before the Golaghat, foreigners tribunal, Golaghat. However, subsequently, because of change of jurisdiction, the matter was transferred to the foreigners tribunal at
Jorhat.
Jorhat. Whereupon she again, on receipt of summons, appeared before the foreigners from Jorhat. But unfortunately, while she was trying to gather the documents, she could not file the documents and written statement documents.
She took time for 6.5 years. Like that.
6.5 years.
Lordship, it is there in the opinion.
6.5
Lordship.
years you took.
This tribunal has inquired from the learned counsel appearing for the said OP.
Now you
that
say
why
only
the
just 3
WS
days.
is
What is
not
this?
filed.
No, my lord, I
Even
said
after
13
more than
days, the
6.5
2018
years.
order, my lord. This 2018 order was
But she
extremely
knew
poor
about
at
the
taking this case
proceeding
pro
from
bono, my lord.
12, Lordship, that cannot be stated as not knowing about the order. And she, however, replied that if a single day's time is granted, the learned counsel will.
We call
take
for the
time
record,
to
huh?
file.
Notice record.
My lord,
interim.
Yes,
Notice
Lordship.
record
in the
interim.
meantime. I mean, protected in the
Yes, okay. In-
Keep your.
Item number 22.
Wait,
Ibrahim, yes.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, younger brother and Gambura has come up, Lordship. Younger brother name appear in the NRC, Lordship, final NRC, Lordship. He has deposed that this
Okay.
petition is.
Notice record interim, yes.
Highly obliged.
For admission, item 23.
May I please, Lordship?
Since the records have been received, we'll examine. Huh? Since the records have been received, let the matter be
Hearing
here.
order.
Item number 24 and 25.
Kartik. Since the records have been received, we'll examine.
Yes,
Yeah,
Lord.
okay. In same order. Huh? Same order in 25 also, no?
For orders, item 26.
What is this? Basira Nessa? What is this IF4? Yes,
May
some
I-
correction.
Yes, Lordship.
What correction?
Mistake on my part. Matanga village is Malanga. So T has been typed. It should have been Mata. Yes,
Okay, Han,
And,
Central and also.
Baksa. So SP border, it will be Baksa.
Okay, the present application filed for correcting certain typographical mistake which occur in the name of the name of
Village,
the village, as well as while describing the SP
border.
concern SP border. It has been submitted at, though the actual correct name of the village is Malanga, it has been wrongly typed as Matanga.
Yes, sir.
Matanga. Similarly, while the Superior Police border, which is the border which
Baksa district.
Boxa is the has the competent authority within whose jurisdiction the petitioner inhabiting, it has been however wrongly shown as Superior Police
Barpeta.
Borpeta. Because of the aforesaid wrong description and mistakes, the petitioner, though have been granted bail by this court, though this petitioner, though have been granted some interim orders on 11/11/2022, the petitioner has not been, applicant has not been able to get the benefit of the said interim protection. First of,
The matter was disposed of, Lordship.
oh, achha, okay.
Yes.
Though the petitioner was allowed, the petitioner could not get the benefit of the order of this court. Full stop. Accordingly, we allowed the so hard miss who has no objection in the matches. The set mistake appeared to be typographical mistake, and another circumstance we also view that those mistakes had not been deliberately made, but due to inadvertence, accordingly, we allowed the application by allowing, by way of correcting the name of the village of the petitioner as
Malanga.
Malanga, village Malanga, and the concerned superintendent of police B is superintendent of police B
Baksa.
Boxa. With the above correction, the present Nessa and Nessa, any double S A Nessa, is it?
Nessa, yes, we are Nessa. Actually, one S was missing, but that
Okay.
would not cause mistake. Main cause is Malanga and
Okay.
Matanga.
With the above, the order, direction, the I stand disposed.
In item number 2 to 15, we have filed an additional affidavit today, my lord. I may be allowed to call for the records, my lord. 2 to 15.
Then he has to see also what, because he has to read it.
Yes, yes, my lord.
So he has to read and no?
Yes, my
Then it come after. Yes.
that matter has been.
Become in fact already alternate remedies there in the case.
Oh, I
All the
see.
cases, I have already lost it. What is there? I will produce it. And last occasion, lost it directed to file the.
What is the additional affidavit you have filed?
My lord, your honor has told us to file the regarding the.
Yes, yes.
Whether the sale has been done in outside the state of Assam or inside the state of Assam. We have produced the documents, my lord, by
So
filing.
what will
additional.
do that this code, we are not the competent, no, because these are factual ascertainment. So we'll direct that if you have filed it, yes, you may have a case. You
Yes,
have
sir.
paid the taxes.
Yes, my lord.
And it had taken then perhaps, yes, what do you say about it? If they have sale had taken place outside, will it come within the purview of the act?
As per the act, then if delivery took place in a market area, then they have to pay cess.
So delivery, see, what is that act?
My
Let
lord,
us see.
This matters may taken as the last item, my lord. They will produce, my lord. She is on her way, my lord. As a last item.
Honorable affairs were already served. If they have any given that alternate remedies there, so they can oppose the product.
No, because if the Supreme Court has said that, then see, we have to respect the Supreme Court's order, no? Isn't it, no?
That is totally different case, my lord.
Alternate remedies there also in the act.
Now we'll observe that whether it is that you can raise all this plea before the, which is the alternative forum?
Then through the committee lordship.
So the committee, you raise all this, let the committee decide, and if you are agree, we can again approach this court.
My lord, it may be taken as a last item.
Okay, last item.
I mean, it may call for records. my lord.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
Yes, next.
For motion, item number 1.
Pradeep Chaudhary, yes?
Yes, your lordship, how
Yeah.
can I issue notice?
Okay, you are coming for first time.
Yes.
And Miss
Peace and.
P. Sen, Planning Council, issue notice in 3 weeks. Is it Union India, or who is this manager? Maligaon, you are accepting, huh?
Yeah.
Mr.
Take it.
To accept notice on all respondents?
Yeah.
Accepted for weeks, yes. Next. Item number?
For orders, item 16.
Yes, 16. Review, Mitali Gohai, what is this? Are they?
Try for requisition respondent minus. Is option.
These options. ठीक है sir, next item call करो. Next item.
Item 17.
What is this? Absent. Next.
Item number 18.
Yes, what is this? Item number 18?
My lord, we are praying for a review of your lordship's order dated 21/6/2019. Lordship will find the order at page 69 of the review petition.
Deputy Commissioner, Shorai Dev. Who is the other side?
My lord, some of them have received notice, few have not.
But then unless,
They have not appeared. Only my lord, the direction ought to have to respondent number 1 and 2, instead lordship directed respondent of forensic. That is the.
but at least let somebody be there, no? At least
Yes,
nobody here. One-sided other way, huh? Okay, then we'll wait for if somebody comes. Yes, next. Next.
Item 19.
No. Then 20, 21.
Item 20 and 21.
Yes, item 21. Yes, what is to be done?
I filed a review petition, my lord, for
For what?
Reviewing the order, my lord.
What order?
Order, my lord, passed in the writ petition.
2021, huh?
Yes, sir.
Bijoy.
Yes.
Vijay Shankar.
8/8/2019, my lord.
Page.
Page number, sir.
Page number. Page number. Vidyaloy. Chetri. What was the direction issued in that?
Direction, my lord, for the, my lord, page 82, it order starts from page 82. My lord, relevant page.
Lukman Ansari. Who's for the other side?
Other side, government is there, my lord.
Government, I'm appearing, my lord.
And who and you are Bijoy Shankar, huh?
Yes, yes.
What about Lukman Ansari? Why is Lukman?
Answer, they were present earlier occasions, but today they are absent.
Oh, then because he must be hard, no? He is the petitioner, no? We will wait for some time. If he doesn't come, then we can take up next week. Huh? The next.
Item 22.
Manoj Shaha. Then 23.
Item 23 for hearing.
23, my lord, this is where we had some objection relating to, my lord, whether arbitration can be invoked, my lord, because of third party involvement of rights, my
Okay. But the other person is not there.
lord. In fact,
Then we will.
Lordship had asked to compile a list of events that I have done.
Item number 20.
23.
23.
23.
Sorry.
Then we'll take it up next week.
My lord, this would take some hearing because
Okay.
the
Next
objections are
week.
on many fold, my lord.
Next week, na? Baki sab, all are next week. We are lawyers. Today, first day, no?
My
So
lord.
others, I think motion day also, no? So busy in other courts. We'll take up next week then.
My lord. Table.
My lord, my item number is 22, my lord. Next week, it's okay, man.